Okay, so we've got the decals peeled off. We've got the adhesive taken care of. And now we're going to prep this for a new decal on the rest of this tunnel. Everything that's black that you're seeing through here will be the graphic to match up here. The first thing that we want to do is make sure all the impurities, the adhesive remover, any wax or oil or anything like that's off the surface so that it's nice clean. We use Rapid Prep. I love this stuff. This thing's almost empty. I use it all the time for all kinds of stuff. But just give it a nice little liberal spray and wipe it down. And we're going to be taking off incompatible residues, wax, silicone, grease, that kind of thing. It's non-flammable, non-hazardous, and easy to use. I'm also using cheap kitchen paper towels. That way I can be assured that there's no impurities. I'm going to also hit it with Rapid Tack. Seems like a little overkill here, but the key to a successful installation is a clean surface. So we want to make sure that this is as clean as we can get it. And some people will start screaming about lint and whatnot from the paper towels, but lint-free, static-free rags and other lint-free, static-free towels tend to cause more problems in the end. There's a few that we do recommend in the auto body industry. The DuPont Sonteras are good because they're simply cellulose. There's no chemicals added into them. There's no binders, there's no perfumes, there's no impurities that are going to cause a problem for your insulation. So there's a few exceptions, but other than that, we really want you to stay away from shop towels. We want you to stay away from rags that are cycled through cleaning service because they'll come back with chemicals in them. And we've found for 25 years, cheap kitchen paper towels are one of the best to use. So with that, we know the surface is clean and we're ready to put a decal on.